Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the brake pads on a Hyundai Santa Fe from 2006 all the way until 2012. This one is the 3.3 engine, but it will be the same for all of them. So what you need to do, you need to remove the tire first, the wheel. Okay, and we got the tire off, as you can see. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you need to get a screwdriver and stick it between the disc and the brake pad right there, and that way you can compress the piston a little bit in the caliper, because the new brakes, they will be way bigger, the brake pads will be way more wider than as you can see, than the old ones, so you won't be able to put the caliper back on the wheel hub, you won't fit on the disc. Now with a 13mm socket, you need to remove, there is one bolt right here on top, and you need to get it loose, and there is one more on the bottom right there. You can see where the glides are with the rubber. Okay, and this is the second one on the bottom, so you need to take them off all the way now. Okay, you can see this is the bolt, one of them, and now the other one. And now the brake caliper will come loose, okay, and you can pull it out of there. As you can see, it's the one with the two pistons, so you need to make sure you compress them all the way. You can get the bracket and do it the right way, but you can just do it with a screwdriver. And those are the brake pads now. Okay, you just pull them out to the side like that. Those are really squeaking because they're burned pretty bad. Okay, and this one as well. Now if you buy new pads, and some of them will come with the new metal glides right here, so we recommend to get the one with the new ones. Otherwise you have to use a brake grease right here to apply and clean them. That way the new pads will be moving freely and easily that way. And also you need to make sure that your discs are good and you can turn them if they're not and make them nice and smooth again. And then you get the new pair. We're having some from a parts car that we have here. Okay, so we can, until we get new ones, because the old ones were really squeaking, and you just install them like that. You need to install the brake caliper now. If it doesn't want to go, then you need to compress the pistons more. And now you need to install the two bolts that we removed with that 13mm socket. Some vehicles are with 14. We know that we worked in the past some with 13. I guess it depends on the year. Make sure you get them tight, don't leave it for later. And now what you need to do, you need to, of course, if you're using an impactor or something, check them by hand, because it's brakes, guys, it's important stuff. And now you need to go inside the vehicle and you need to pump the brakes a few times. Okay, you can see how it's going to compress the piston now. If you do not do that, okay, it compressed it all the way. If you don't do that, you're not going to have brakes the first one or two times you press the brake pedal. So that's the whole procedure, guys. You can just go ahead and install the tire now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.